2 power x plus 4 power x plus 8 power x is equal to 39 is equal to 2 power x plus 2 square whole power x plus 2 cube whole power x is equal to 39. Therefore, a power m whole power n is equal to a power n whole power m is equal to 2 power x plus 2 power x whole power 2 plus 2 power x whole power 3 is equal to 39. Let k is equal to 2 power x. K plus k square plus k cube is equal to 39. K cube plus k square plus k minus 39 is equal to 0. K cube plus k square minus 27 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 0. K cube plus k square plus k plus k minus 27 minus 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. K cube minus 27 plus k square minus 9 plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. K cube minus 3 cube plus k square minus 3 square plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b is equal to k minus 3 into k square plus 3k plus 3 square plus k minus 3 into k plus 3 plus k minus 3 is equal to 0 is equal to k minus 3 into k square plus 3k plus 9 plus k plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. K minus 3 common is equal to K minus 3 into K square plus 4K plus 13 is equal to 0. K minus 3 is equal to 0. K square plus 4K plus 13 is equal to 0. K is equal to 3. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 13. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 13 by 2 into 1. K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 52 by 2. K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 36 by 2. K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 6i by 2. K is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus or minus 3i by 2. 2 cancel. K is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 3i. Not real solution. So we got K is equal to 3. Now recall K is equal to 2 power x. 2 power x is equal to 3. Log 2 power x is equal to log 3. Therefore, log a power m is equal to m log a. Log x log 2 by log 2 is equal to log 3 by log 2. Both sides divide log 2. Log 2 cancel. X is equal to log 3 by log 2. x is equal to log 3.